Hello, welcome to our news at this time. I am Mutube Achibon with details of the headlines and other stories. This broadcast is reaching you live on Star Times channel 103 and social media platforms on YouTube and Facebook. The Akwa Ibom State government has signed a memorandum of understanding with the United Nations Development Programme UNDP to develop the state's blue economy, energy, among others. Governor Moeno assures the team of his administration's passion for timely project delivery. Clemens Barikwe has details.
The Memorandum of Understanding is aimed at strengthening and supporting the Arise blueprint of the state government with specific interest in tourism, blue economy, energy, skills acquisition and innovations, broad governance and finance development. Governor Umoeno intimates the UNDP team of the state government's plan to open up youth-friendly centers in all the 31 local government areas to help develop the skills, creativity and innovations of the youths. Governor Ino welcomed the UNDP fresh partnership with the state government, describing it as very strategic and important in realizing the various projects and programs of his administration.
We've been looking forward to the benefit of your expertise. You can have, like we do have, lots of ideas, but the human capacity to carry on these ideas and make them, change them to reality is always lacking. There's always a missing point, and that's what I see that the UNDP team brings to the table, and we are very happy to partner with you.
The UNDP resident representative in Nigeria, Mrs. Elsie Atafua, said the organization is back to the state to partner with government to promote the Arise agenda and create jobs for the people.
Your Excellency, we are here to continue to build on the vision that you shared with us a couple of months ago. We came and you directed us that there's a need for us to strengthen our collaboration between the state and the United Nations Development Programme, by extension the United Nations family. And over the past few months, we have been working closely with the team here.
The MOU signing ceremony signals the beginning of a new phase of infrastructural and human capital development powered by the state government and the international partner. Clement Barikui, NTA News.
Similarly, the Akwa Ibom State government says it has spent 100 billion naira in 2 months for the completion of various projects spread across the state. Governor Moeno, who announced this during the inauguration of Hospital Ukpoma-Bagidoro Pepsi Junction Road, says government decided to adopt the interim payment certificates approach in project execution as part of measures to ensure prudent funding and timely delivery of projects. Again, Clement Barikwi has more.
The road was very bad that you can't even pass. There was up and down. Sometimes bike man will fall people inside the water because there was a very big gallop there.
The 10.412 kilometer Hospital Ukpoma-Bagidoro Pepsi Junction Road was a major diversion during the construction of the Ikoroku-Ikono flyover by the immediate past administration in the state. This traffic diversion caused a total collapse of the road, making human and vehicular movement impossible. The construction of the road and its subsequent completion is seen by stakeholders of Uyo and Abak local government areas as a relief to the people.
Excellency, I want to tell you that because of this bad road, health services in those hospitals were not going well. Over 80% of the funding is done by you. Sir, it is because you have the heart of the people. Excellency, thank you so much for redeeming our image before our people.
Governor Umoeno, while inaugurating the road, says the gesture is in fulfillment of his administration's commitment to connect rural communities to the state capital. He assured the youth of more empowerment opportunities as the state government plans to build youth-friendly centers in the 31 local government areas.
I want to assure our contractors, there is no contractor working for this government that will be owed. Before we issue a contract or award a contract, we have set aside funding for that contract. Last week, we released 50 billion. Last month, we released another 50 billion to pay for IPCs. God has made it that we are meticulously and judiciously managing the funding of our state.
The hospital Okpoma-Bak Idoro Pepsi Junction Road links Uyo, the state capital, to a back local government area. Clement Barikui, NTA News.
In another development, a total of 21 inmates have been pardoned and released from Ikorabasi and Eket correctional centers by the state's Chief Judge, Justice Ekaite Fabian Ubut. Joy Ubani reports that their discharge is part of the prerogative of mercy of the Chief Judge.
It is one of the routine visits of the Chief Judge of Akwa Ibom State, Justice Ekaite Fabian Ubut, to correctional facilities. The visit is followed by the release of 4 inmates in Ikorabasi Correctional Center and 17 inmates in Eket Correctional Center on various grounds, including health issues.
It's 107, comprising of 57 persons on awaiting trial, 50 convicts. This inmate always anticipates your visit because it inspires hope in them, especially inmates who have for some reasons experienced delayed trial.
Major Security Contact Center, MSCC Eket, has capacity of 123 inmates when built several years ago. But with the expansion of facilities to accommodate more inmates, the lockup as of today is 300 inmates.
Justice Ekaite Ubut advised inmates to stay out of trouble while reiterating the purpose of correctional centers.
You are upbeat because you have served sufficiently for the offense you were said to have committed, and that to report that you are now reformed individuals. Go and be of good behavior.
The visit of the Chief Judge continues with Ikote Ekpene and Uyo Correctional Centers taking their turns. Joy Ubani, NTA News.
And still to come, hundreds of elderly persons in East Nobolo benefit from free medical services. This and more will come your way shortly after this time out. Please stay.
The solution to your building and construction works is Regan Stones, dealer in chippings, hardcore, iron rods, cement, sharp sand, and blocks of all kinds. At Regan Stones, integrity is our watchword. We are equipped to deliver to you regardless of the quantity you desire. We scale every product with our weighing bridge so you can be rest assured of the exact quantity of products you buy from us. Our dedicated and committed staff, coupled with efficient automated vibrating machine, guarantee our unfailing delivery always. We have top-notch customer care services to attend to you in minutes. Locate us at Regan Stones, Goswell Akpabio Crescent, Shelter Afraid, Uyo, Akwa Ibom State. Our office line 0916-641-1972. Regan Stones, reliable and trusted. Regan Stones, quality beyond imagination.
Rose Bay Hotel. Come, feel the luxury of our contemporary hotel. We offer lodging and accommodation. Stay at our deluxe executive and luxury suite for your comfort. Experience extravagant dining and delicious meals by expert chef. Lounge at our exquisite VIP bar. Enjoy 24 hours power supply with free Wi-Fi services. Our security system is top-notch to ensure your safety. Ample parking space and laundry services available. The ambience is serene to make your stay memorable. We are located at number 1 Julius Badger Road off House of Assembly Avenue, Uyo, Akwa Ibom State. For reservations, call 070-650-41139. Roseville Hotel, hospitality at its best.
Water is life. Aqua Cardinali Water provides the highest quality drinking water. Aqua Cardinali Water is owned by the Catholic Diocese of Uyo, produced and packaged by Cadisem Enterprises Nigeria. It is available in 19 liters dispenser jar, 60 cl sachet, 50 cl and 75 cl table water. Visit Aqua Cardinali Water at number 34 Dominic Utuk Avenue, Uyo, Akwa Ibom State. Drink Aqua Cardinali Water, certified by NAFDAC and Standard Organization of Nigeria. Call 0903-288-2958. Aqua Cardinali Water. Drink pure. Stay healthy.
Good to know you're still there. And now to the rest of our stories. Hundreds of elderly persons in Eastern Obolo local government area of Akwa Ibom State have benefited from a free medical outreach organized by Sumeda Energy Limited. Moba Sedet reports that the outreach is part of the company's corporate social responsibility to its host community.
For Chief Richard Rogers, like many others in this community, it is a prayer answered, especially for these senior citizens, as Sumeda Energy Limited, formerly known as NOSL, takes free Medicare to their doorstep. The 2-day free medical outreach, which is empowering wellness and honoring the aged, is holding at the Primary Health Center, Korete, in Eastern Obolo local government area, and the elderly are accessing healthcare in their numbers for checkups, prescriptions, as well as other medical services.
This is one set of people that have not really been reached, even by the government. So the company decided to take it upon themselves to gather them together, examine them. Doctors are on ground to check them, and whatever is the case, they give them appropriate drugs. If the case is beyond what we can handle here, we refer them to a good medical outfit.
Leader of the medical team, Dr. Simon Sunday, describes the turnout as impressive, noting that the outreach would not only impact lives, but is exposing beneficiaries to the many life-threatening ailments prevalent in the community. Top on the list are high blood pressure and diabetes.
Some of them come to know for the first time that they have been living with hypertension. Some of them have been on drugs and maybe eventually stopped. Some for financial reasons, But like a lady I just saw a few minutes ago, with a BP of about 212 over 140. So I've advised her to rest, and we've commenced some medications for her. She, if not for this outreach, probably she would have gone down with a stroke.
Beneficiaries express appreciation to the company for its kind gesture, but like the proverbial Oliver Twist, they appeal for more.
What we have seen today has not been done. We have seen some drugs. We still plead that we should, the people that is doing should do more than this. And we that are elderly, if each month at least 3 times in a year.
My body no good, but now it go better because I don't collect the drops. They give me a bag of rice so I will go chop, drain the medicine.
I have to thank the organizer of this program.
Sumeda Energy Limited did not only stop at providing Medicare for the elderly, but also put a smile on their faces with the distribution of rice to beneficiaries. From Eastern Obolo, Umo Basadit, NTA News.
And the Akwa Ibom State government Rise agenda, which aims at transforming the needs of the people and promoting sustainable growth across various sectors, has organized a 2-day workshop for stakeholders across the state. Umoba said it reports that the State Ministry of Water Resources and Sanitation organized the workshop in Uyo.
The Maiden Water, Sanitation and Hygiene WASH training workshop for the 31 local government areas in Akwa Ibom State is tagged WASH Sector, strengthening the local government areas towards achieving sustainable development goals. In a keynote address, the head of civil service, Effiong Essien, harps on the importance of taking the WASH sensitization to the grassroots.
When you are of good health, you are economically valuable. That's why government has to provide for the health of the people so that they can be economically viable.
Commissioner for Water Resources and Sanitation, Ubwa, says the workshop would not only help to revitalize the WASH sector, but would also provide a legal framework for its implementation. WASH consultant Professor Thomas Harry also throws more light on the sustainable development goals.
We have to play by the rules, so that is what the action plan will achieve, so that we know by the time we set up this is the next structure that we have to set up, that by the time government provides this water infrastructure, anybody caught vandalizing or negligent towards the protection of this infrastructure, there are penalties that will be attached to it.
Are left unkept, and this has to change. And that's what we're bringing you here to say, look, you're the ones responsible to implement. And so the will has to be there. And we've got to take steps to ensure that these laws that we make, the policies that have been passed, are enforced in our local governments.
Some participants speak.
We'll go back and make sure WASH program is working. Sensitize people in the local government area on the need not to defecate in the bush, on open defecation, so that we can have open defecation free community.
They're very important that these policies are being made because we believe it's going to affect even the student community. Of course,
apart from access to potable water and improved sanitation, achieving an open defecation-free state is also paramount for the stakeholders. In Uyo, Umar Basadet, NTA News.
We pause here again for more commercials. To be back shortly, please stay.
Welcome to Prisma International Hotels, located at number 5 Efamosanga Street, Afagafort, Overback Road, Uyu. When it comes to hospitality industry, nothing compares with comfort, exquisite services, and top-of-the-world security. These are what make Prisma Hotels a household name. At Prisma Hotels, you are assured of lavishly furnished, spacious rooms and suites with complimentary breakfast, top-class blue sea swimming pool, VIP and poolside bars, as well as restaurant where African and continental dishes are served at pocket-friendly rates. These are not all. There is high-speed internet service, closed-circuit television, spacious car park, 24-hour power and water supply, sparkle laundry and dry cleaning services, and above all, combat-ready security operatives. So whenever you are in Uyo or you are a resident in Uyo, capital city of Akwa Ibom State, make Prisma Hotels number 5 Efamosanga Street, Afagafort, Overback Road, Uyo, your choice, and you will cherish the experience. For bookings and inquiries, please call 081-3166-6660 or 0915-509-9989. Prisma International Hotels, hospitality par excellence.
Welcome to the future of learning, where creativity has been our watchword for decades. NTA Television College Jos stands tall with innovation at its core. The college, an affiliate of the prestigious Ahmadu Bello University Zaria, for award of Bachelor of Science in Mass Communication. The school also offers 2 years National Innovation Diploma in Film and Television Production, Broadcast Journalism and Television Engineering Technology. The college, as a reputable training institution, besides its customized television-related proficiency courses, also has the following trendy courses: cybersecurity, communication development, digital marketing, effective security operation and management, managing the bosses, online journalism, parliamentary reporting, artificial intelligence, conflict and peace communication, entrepreneurship, Practical Emotional Intelligence. Our courses are open to media personnel in public and private organizations, tertiary institutions, and interested individuals for the practices of broadcasting across the globe. For more inquiries, visit our website www.ntatvcollege.edu or call 0803 383 4343. Announcer, Registrar.
You're welcome back, and now to the rest of our stories. As a global community marked the 2025 World Public Relations Day, the Nigerian Institute of Public Relations (NIPR) has reaffirmed its commitment to using public relations as a strategic tool for national and global positioning. This affirmation was echoed as the Akwa Ibom State chapter of Nigerian Institute of Public Relations engaged mass communication students of Akwa Ibom State University to observe the 2025 Day of the Image Makers. Glory Ukwa has details.
Public relations is a profession that focuses on building and managing organizations, reputations, and to reach out to the next generation of practitioners who should be able to curb issues of societal division. Celebrating the day, Akwa Ibom State chapter of the professional body deemed it necessary to engage mass communication students of Akwa Ibom State University to understand that public relation is more than its media relations or publicity. With the theme Building Bridges and Overcoming Polarization, the celebration is aimed at inspiring young minds to take on challenge of divisions in society through strategic communication.
As communication experts in public relations, we see polarization as an issue. So we need to see how we can use communication to bring people together so that people can come together, reason together, forge ahead together. That way, we will have a peaceful and united society.
This program gives everyone the opportunity to listen to words of wisdom and be capable of implementing those facets that will make the human race a better one.
The Vice Chancellor, Professor Nse Essien, represented by Aniekeme Ikon, appreciates Nigerian Institute of Public Relations for choosing the institution as the host and how important the event is to the students.
Analyze situations. Why do you analyze situations? You want to establish what the issues or problems are. And when you know what the issues or the problems are, the next thing is what? You will advise management based on what you found out.
I want to enjoin NIPR to keep the fight going on, because more than ever before, we need to fight this battle. Because if we don't overwhelm it, it will overwhelm us, and we don't pray for that to happen.
The event also witnessed the official inauguration of members into Nigeria Institute of Public Relations Student Association in Uyo. Glory Ukwa, NTA News.
Up next is a news translation with Emedi Omo. From me, it's good night.
Ukangin mi ko mo anyang medo emediong mo kamano tum mbok ndubre yomi. Ukara sterem ebo ke mimo imibiat billion naira iki ke ufanga fiong iba ke rina mention timpo ke steremi. Akamo kara sterem ete umoeno aketanga mi na akebere ke ufo ibo ke ukbomo bak idoro Pepsi Junction. Ya ikobo yo mbo mi to kombongin.
Mbono wosi sogi blango ke nkango songo mimi nemi sereta titi komu kara dango kari sempo bango songo misi amo tange boke usongo mie ma bianga akbene ana mbono won korom mimpo wat ikana isangan niki kenkanga kamokara stenyin anye ma boke edisong namusong yemension sio ufon finsen ke inimeset mbono kwaibum aro ke tumme enwongo anye ketanga kini anye ke sokoye mirok ufokutum nteda ukara steremi nkoke asogoro uragi moedi kan boke mi minam mension sio mpo nkorudio ngusong tummi nsenke ufon bonowo anyen ko ken kang mi wadong anom mi wad ndongeset aboke ukari mo ya so kaiso anongom mi wad mention sio unwam mimbo seke code empowerment mi sia ukara soge ni uragi kan boke ebob mitie bigisen unwam inom mi wad ke frefat nkoko kara stedemi ke patre mboko so ando bo kusonge so ketang mi ke esanga nye ewo yo nkwe mane sanga eke wo bak mi ku yo utebe achibong akombok enti
Mbono we wakai wo ikie keri uba ke nko kara istinobolo ebo usobon fon eto Smedan Energy Limited ebo ke adinamami aroke ketu ubiong tumdimo adikan bo ke mbono wo ke idongaro ebake nsongirem
Obong Richard Rogers nkorombono wo mfen kidongoro ebo ke iboro kamado misia ufogu tomekuto Smeda Energy Limited ekeseke diongonte noso ema eben unwam usobom fon eriwo idongoro enomimpono wo enekeke wakiswa aduna museni baro akeda titieke ufogi boy kuto Primary Health Center okorete kenkang istinobolo ama anwa mimpono wo mi eni unwa musoro ubagado ge masim moidem imana enommo mi boxe kama isobide mimmo ansido ekamba wo agedage soke ndutemedo Dr. Simon Sunday ama wodi nimisire tatiti dangambono wo ewodi edibo unwa mado mensionsio unwa meke no romi ado dangake sege mpo ebanga udongo konkong yip nkoro diabetes ediongoge ndudongo sugar Biosibo unwam usobom fonomi ema ewori nimisire tatiti eko mufo utumodo dangammo eben uto nwam tumedi wedongo mo ado mo ebo kempo so Smeda Energy Limited soke tange bangamion ikitrege kerino mboni dongomi usobom fon ado ema mane no ngommo medesi uteba chibong akombok enti
Oka nyen tembong nyen atrero ndubre yomi tutumbong asere
Safety is everybody's business, whether on our roads, homes, or offices.